Hey y'all, Miranda here with another 360 hike in Western North Carolina. Today I'll be showing you graveyard fields and the amazing waterfall that's. Here's a quick tip for optimal video viewing. This video was filmed in 360 VR 5.6K resolution, so you may need to adjust your YouTube streaming settings to a higher quality for optimal viewing. And feel free to explore the screen in all directions. You can view this from a desktop or a mobile device, but I find it tends to work best on your mobile device. So let's start exploring. Graveyard Fields is a pretty popular hiking trail, and it's located on the Blue Ridge Parkway just past milepost 418, which is south of Asheville. There is a decent amount of parking and restrooms at this location. Most people come here to see the lower falls, which is just a third of a mile hike from the parking area. You're probably wondering how this place got its weird name, Graveyard Fields. Well, years ago there were tree stumps that looked like gravestones in a graveyard setting. These trees were knocked over by a huge wind, and then a fire burned through the area, and the forest has been recovering ever since. It's a short hike that starts out on a paved trail leading you through a thick patch of rhododendron, and then you'll cross the bridge and take a right and walk down the boardwalk. It's a lot of steps down to get to the lower falls. And you can kind of splash around and climb on the boulders at the base of the falls. So take a few moments to explore this 360-degree view of the lower falls at Graveyard Fields. And what goes down must come back up, so you'll get a little bit of a workout hiking back up all of these stairs. And you can simply hike back to the parking lot if you like. There's also a 3.5 mile loop trail that takes you to another waterfall. I will detail that hike and falls in another video that I'll link to in the description below. Again, my name's Miranda. Thank you so much for joining me on another 360 hike to Graveyard Fields and the falls at Graveyard Fields. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. There's more virtual hikes there, as well as yoga and meditation videos. Till next time, namaste and have a great day.